What is 0.375% as a fraction in simplest form? Look, here is the given information. So to convert this percentage to fraction, what will you do? Just percentage means 1 over 100. Okay. Now divide this by 100. So just multiply. Now if you divide this by 100, what will you get? Look, 10 to the power 2 means 100, so 100 is a power of 10. To divide a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of digits and move the decimal point from right to left equal to that number of zeros. Number of zeros is 2, so decimal point will move 2 places, 1 places, 2 places. Since there is no digit here, you have to imagine placeholder 0. So we are getting decimal 00357. Okay. Now look, fraction in simplest form. So now we need to reduce this decimal. We need to convert this decimal to fraction. So how to do that? Just for numerator, just keep this decimal and write the number you are getting. So you are getting this. These 2 0 don't have any value. Now for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to write 5, 10 as a multiplication. Okay. Now you need to reduce. So this is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. So if you divide, look, then what you will get? 37. 5 times 7, 35 to 25, 5. If you divide this 10 by 5, 2. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. You will get 2, and if you divide, then 5 goes into 7, 1, 2. So 25, 5 goes into 25, 5 times. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. So look, now we are getting 3 over this 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8 times 10 times 10. Now 8 times 1, 8, then add 0, multiply 10. Now 8 times 1, 8, add 2, 0. So 3 over 8. This is a prime number, so the common factor between 3 and 800 is just 1. If you divide this and this, you will get the same thing. So this is the result.